Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today will be a very short video, but it will be helpful to some of you guys that you have that sun visor that the clip is broken and it's just hanging and it's always in the way, bouncing all over the place. Like you can see, I'm talking about, okay, just trying to focus here. Okay, you can see that sun visor. You have that clip right here. If this clip is broken, it's the same like having your sun visor disconnected, and you can see that it will bounce everywhere. And that will relate to any car, guys. Okay, most 99% of the cars have that clip to hold, okay, the sun visor right there in place. So how you remove and replace that? Okay, let me show you now. Usually under the clip you have one screw, sometimes with a Phillips screwdriver, sometimes with a Torx too. In our case it's Torx 20, and you need to make sure that you remove the screw all the way. Okay, and when we do that, the clip sometimes will fall off, sometimes you will have two more plastic clips holding it. So we'll see how this one is. But usually once you remove the screw, you just pull it out, straight out. Okay. Perfect. Just like that, you can see, this is, guys, the clip right here. So if yours is broken, all you have to do, just replace it, and that will fix your problem. So hopefully the video was helpful to some of you guys. Please subscribe and many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.